Good morning everyone. So आज चाहिँ मलाई मेरो एउटा मर्निङ रुटिन चाहिँ रेकर्ड गर्न मन लाग्यो है. सो या सो मैले चाहिँ अहिले रिसेन्टली यो प्लान्ट बेस्ड कोलाजन बिहान एम्टी स्टमकमा चाहिँ आइम टेकिङ दिस. सो वी विल टेक one teaspoon. You can take 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon. म चाहिँ 1 teaspoon लिन्छु because I tried this earlier and because it has no sugary content, no taste, it's so bland, you know. I don't like it much, but I drink it anyway. And this is moringa leaves. So moringa leaves I'm going to take half tablespoon. So yeah, if you want, I think you can put honey as well. Hot lemon with honey पिरा हुन्छु. त्यही भएर I'm not using honey now, है. So यति हो. Just we just put this and पछि you can add as many amount of water you want to drink. म चाहिँ यो glass full अझै full नै पिउँछु. And it's always good to use a metal straw. So I got this metal straw around like 8 years back maybe. I don't use plastic straws. So यही metal straw लिने म गर्छु. And hot lemon पिउँदाखेरि पनि directly हुन्छ नि नपिउनु भन्छ नि त because of the sour taste of the lemon, though I chew lemon. But yeah, I use this straw to stir as well. So yeah, I think it's ready. This is plant-based collagen or vegan collagen and moringa leaves. So this is what I drink early in the morning. So I think भयो होला है. Let me just take a sip. पोल्छ होला पोल्छ. It's got no taste. Taste हुँदैन यसको. And if not worse, it's very bitter. तर I think this is very good to your health. Let's see. Okay. Good day.